Hello all, this is Vasuki from Computer Science and Engineering Department. So in this video, we are continuing with the connections and correlations. So in previous video, we are discussing about what is connection, what is correlation, what is linear regression, what is regression. So these four categories will be already discussed in the previous video. So now we can directly moving on to the correlations. So what are the types of correlations are available based on the given data file. So this is the types of correlation. So here they are providing a positive or negative correlation is characterized by a single straight line. So with the help of that randomly drawing that straight line with a positive or negative gradient. The strength of the correlation depends on the spread of points around the imagined line. So if you are looking at these 6 diagrams, the dots are considering based on that given value. The line straight line is drawn in a visualized one. It is not a fixed one, it is a visualized one. So based on that visualization line, then only we can predict whether that is a strong positive correlation or moderate positive or else weak positive correlation, or else the remaining strong negative correlation, moderate negative correlation, or else weak negative correlation. So if I am taking as a positive, in that positive I can segregate whether it is a strong or medium or weak. So if I am taking as a negative, so under that also I need to calculate whether it is a strong negative or else moderate negative or else weak negative. So how it is plotted? So with the help of that dotted lines we can draw one imagination line. So based on that, whether the dotted values are nearly closed to that 0 or else nearly closed to +1 or else nearly closed to -1. So based on these three value, then only we can say whether it is a positive or negative. So here these values are started from 0 or a +1, 0 and -1. If it is a near to positive value means that is a positive value. Then after 0, whether it is moving on to that negative value, negative means that is called as a negative strong or moderate or weak. So based on that it is categorized whether it is a strong or moderate or weak value. So this also drawn in a likewise whether it is a scatter plot, strong linear, no, and spurious and circular correlation. So before that we are just using one straight line. So if you are looking this x and y coordinate, we are plotting a point values. So based on that stronger linear correlation between x and y coordinates. So if it is forming as a circular means, so it is a non-linear, it is present in a very randomized manner, it is not present in a straight line structure. So here no correlation is available. So if you are looking at this a second diagram, this diagram, so here there is a no correlation between x and y. Here also x and y are independent values. Okay, then next if you are moving on to the down, so here also we are not providing any straight line, so that's why it is called as a non-linear, which means no linear correlation between x and y coordinates, but it is circulated in a strong circular correlation. So the pointed values are present in a circle format, so that's why it is consisting as a strong circular correlation, and x and y are not dependent. Here also x value is no y value, both are not dependent value. So here if you are looking at this means the straight line will be made, so that's why it is considering as a strong linear value. The next one, the values based on the given plotted value, we have to identify whether that value is discrete variable or else any continuous variables. So discrete is nothing but so only limited data. So beyond that the values are not exceed means that is called as a discrete value. For example, if you are moving to the hospital, they are providing one form. So in that form we can fill a name, age, likewise we can provide it. So the next they are asking a gender, whether it is a male or female or transgender. So here only 3 possibles only available. So beyond that the no more values will be updated over to the, we have to tick whether male or else female or else transgender. So here this is the value. Beyond that we cannot move any extended value, means that is called as an discrete values or discrete value variables. Then second one is a categorical value. Categorical value is nothing but we can segregate any number of different types of values. So which means if I am taking as an one ball, so in that ball should maybe present in a black color or blue color or a violet color or else green color or pink. So which means if I am taking as an color, means we can categorize n number of colors. So that's why it is considering as an categorical value. Then next one is a continuous value. So continuous values is nothing but the age of the patient and length of the object. So if I am taking as an any one scale or pen, means so what is the length, what is the width, what is the weight of the particular thing, means so that is called as an continuous variables. Thank you.